Happy Thursday and welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. We've almost made it through another week. I don't know about y'all, but I always look forward to the weekend. It's my one time I get to spend with a family and friends, just enjoying everyone's company. I feel like this remote work from home life, sometimes during the week, you can be pretty isolated. So I always love it when we're getting towards the end of the week into that weekend. But of course, I'm not going to waste too much time. Links to all the pages that I'm going to be sharing, timestamps, all additional information you need to get those applications in is always found in the YouTube description box below this video. And today we have job leads from Sunlife. We have Republic Service hiring, paying somebody $24 an hour to collect payments or take payments. And of course, we have a job that is paying $160 a day, or divide that by 8 hours full times in a day, $20 an hour to listen to recorded phone calls and give your feedback. So non-phone, no talking. Diving right on in, first up we have Sunlife. Now Sunlife is like an insurance and benefits type company. They have 4,600 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a learning and quality specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States. It is for the 48 main states, though. They are looking for somebody, even though they're hiring throughout the United States, to work 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But this is going to be like in the healthcare realm. So you're really trying to follow HIPAA guidelines. So you are conducting quality assurance assessments and audits to identify deviations, defects, and nonconformities with processes through the vendors that Sunlife uses. So Sunlife themselves has to follow HIPAA guidelines, processes, and procedures, and their vendors also have to be held to that same standard. So you're kind of doing these quality assurance assessments on kind of the vendors and stuff that they work with, making sure that there's no problems with the processes and that they're following them. If there's a breakdown in the process, you're going to perform root cause analysis or just try to figure out why so that corrective actions to address those quality issues can be taken. So you are reporting to Health and Risk Solutions Manager for all quality assurance, and you're going to be responsible for preparing, inspecting, and complying with all of the health information management's policies. This is what governs HIM policies, normally govern like medical records, things like that, who releases them, who has access to them, how they are put into the system, how they're protected, all things health information for patients. So you are just collecting, compiling, organizing, maintaining, protecting all of that patient health information, and of course making sure everyone else is doing that too. Now they prefer a bachelor degree, not required though, as long as you have a high school diploma with at least 3 years of experience. While they prefer somebody who has prior quality assurance experience, it's not required as long as you have a strong understanding of like health information space, medical records. You can be very detail oriented. You can be accountable. You have knowledge of kind of risk solutions. You have great communication skills. And of course, you can think creatively and be a problem solver. Pay for this one is fairly decent. It's anywhere from $50,800 a year up to $68,600 a year. Now, next up, we have the company Cotiviti hiring. They have 1,400 reviews from past and current employees, that overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a yield support specialist. This is remote for the United States. So basically, you are a administrative support and kind of customer service type support, performing a variety of different general administrative tasks like filing, data entry, tracking, and correspondence, obtaining data files, generating reports for audits to identify appropriate file parameters for extracting data or downloading data, imported files requested by the auditor. You are serving as the first point of contact for facility responses to general inquiries about data request. So you might have to take some phone calls or things like that, providing proofing support of claims submittals, double checking totals, verbiage calculations, or general accuracy of information that's submitted on claims. You're kind of looking over things, making sure that everything is in compliance with those quality standards. Again, this is health information talking about claims, so you're going to have to follow those HIPAA guidelines. But they don't require any kind of college degree, just 0 to 1 years of related experience with a high school diploma or GED. They prefer somebody who has 1 to 2 years of administrative support. It's not required though, neither is billing or coding experience. It is preferred. If you have it, you might get to the top of the line for an interview. But what is required is being proficient in using computers and different software systems like Microsoft Office, having great communication skills, and being able to work both individually and as a team. Now, this one doesn't require as much, but it also doesn't pay as high. Pay is anywhere from $17.50 an hour up to $19.50 an hour. And it does say in small print down here that they will be taking applications through February 17th of 2025. Now, moving on along, we have Republic Services hiring. They're like the, waste trash pickup type service. They have 3,300 reviews with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote collection specialist, and collection is not the trash pickup or trash collection. It is the financial piece of it where you're collecting people who have not paid their bill. So you are doing a wide variety of collection functions and related activities for your assigned customers. So you will be on the phone with this position, contacting customers through phone, fax, or email, or making sure that you hit a button in the system that mails them out a letter to bring their accounts to a current status. So these are people who are past due on their trash bills, and you are trying to collect payment and get their accounts back to current status. So you're reconciling and applying customer payments posted on the account. So you are taking payments, collecting payments, and making sure they are entered into the account. So you're monitoring the status of all of these accounts through your online collector dashboard, taking care of any high priority tasks or accounts first. And of course, if customers have billing concerns, or they say that I've paid that and the payment wasn't applied correctly in the system, you're going to research any issues that come up with billing concerns or misapplied payments, just understanding issues and problem accounts. So you are just all things billing and payments. Only requires a high school diploma or GED and somebody who has a knowledge or understanding of collection transactions and processes. They do want somebody who has 2 years of some kind of collections related experience. Now, they have a pay range of $21.76 an hour up to $32.64 an hour, but it does say compensation is $24 an hour. So it looks like they kind of start you at the $24 an hour mark, and then maybe you can get bonuses and raises up from there. And if you're looking for a job where you just listen to recorded phone calls and give your feedback, NTT Data is hiring, and they have a lot of reviews. They have 26,000 reviews with a pretty high overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a call center auditor, and it does say this is fully remote. And it does say, again, they're looking for someone to join the remote working team. But a quality assurance or call center monitor is going to monitor and evaluate recorded customer phone calls, making sure that they adhere to the company's policy scripts and quality standards. So you're actively listening to these recorded phone calls, assessing the customer service agent's performance against established quality metrics like greeting, active listening, problem resolution, and closing techniques. So you are basically giving a score sheet or a scoring rubric, grading rubric. Did they say the correct greeting? Did they show active listening skills? Did they pause and really take in what the customer was saying? How was their problem resolution? Did they close maybe closing techniques is trying to offer upselling or something. Some companies are like that, but you have a score sheet that you are listening to these phone calls and marking off. Did they hit these points? If they didn't hit these points, of course, I'm sure you have a notes or comments box. You're adding kind of your feedback. So not only are you verifying that the agents are following the company's scripts that they are given and the policies, you are also analyzing this data as you're doing this to identify any trends or areas of concerns. Or is all the customer service reps consistently missing something? Then maybe retraining needs to happen. But you are just preparing detailed reporting, highlighting strengths and weaknesses of the agents, providing positive and negative behaviors, and just providing all of this feedback to the agents. Now, you are providing this feedback to the agents through written comments, but you're also maybe going to help in some coaching sessions with the agents. But the majority of this job, other than working with your peers, is going to be completely non-phone. They do want somebody who has worked in a call center auditing role before. You have experience with Genesis applications. I'm assuming. I have not worked in a call center in quite a long time, and maybe that's some kind of call center software. I'm not positive on that. They're looking for somebody who just kind of has data analytical skills. You can really just look at data and identify trends. Great active listening skills, great attention to detail, and buried all the way down at the bottom in tiny print, the starting hourly range for this role is $20 an hour. And of course, this is a full-time job, so $20 an hour times 8 hours a day is $160 a day. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.